and welcome to today's video. My name is Antonia and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. Today is a really fun video because I have two of my friends coming over and we are going to be making brunch. I'm in charge of orange juice because I love oranges, and making salad, and I bought eggs. I was in charge of buying the eggs. They will also be teaching me how to make French crepes. I don't know how to pronounce that in a French accent, but they're both French. They're both from Paris and they moved to Amsterdam very recently, and I'm super happy. You actually already know Inez, who was in my last video, so you should probably watch that if you want a little bit of an introduction to her. I just wanted to give this video a bit of a professional intro because I usually do vlogs, and this is also going to be vlog style, but I thought the intro, you know, me sitting on my couch, would be a nice change. And yeah, I'll just prepare my food now, and then I'm excited to learn how to make crepes. Making orange juice. They're about to arrive. It's already 1 but it's fine, I'm always late, and now I had time to finish everything I was going to finish. Okay, so they've arrived. Here's Inez and Marie. So messy right now. Flip it! Okay, so we finished making the food. We have the salad, toasted bread, hummus, avocado. We're gonna make mimosas, and we have the waffles. Inez is now showing me how to make French Parisian crepes.
So we found like a French butter. It's a little bit salty, but so much better even on toast. We only like eat that. And I'm gonna put some in the pan and some in the crepe batter. Yeah, batter. So what I'm gonna do is like just put a lot in the pan so it melts, you know.
Okay.
And then we'll be able to put it in the batter. The first one is always very buttery, but it's fine.
You can do it! Ah!
No,
oh no! Crepe time!
They got a job in the city and a kid you used to be so close. Jane, do you remember what you told me when we were standing in the bathroom midnight, baby?
Hi, I'm Krista. I'm Antonia's new roommate. I'm so excited.
Liking Amsterdam?
I love it. It's been really chill and we're having a really nice walk. So I'm excited and I hope it doesn't rain.
It looks nice. I hope not. Because tomorrow we're going to Inez's place again for lunch. And then I'll introduce you guys. Yay!
Okay, we're making wraps. We have some veggies, some tofu, and some guacamole.
Where's the light? There's
It's raining and we got some baklava and this thing, which is like a chocolate.
yeah, we're gonna try it in a sec. And now we're gonna go get an umbrella and then we're gonna go to Inez's place for lunch.
Yay!
Yay!
Give us a taste test. How is it? It's so good, right?
It's so chocolatey.
Mmm.